welcome back to another edition of As Told by Bree. I am, of course, Bree, and if you guys are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm making this video because my apartment complex is doing a contest, an apartment tour contest, and whoever has the best apartment tour gets a good amount, good chunk off of their rent. So here we are with a fully furnished apartment tour. So I'm gonna show you guys the living room, the bedroom, the bathroom, the balcony, and everything in between. So without further ado, like I said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so when you first walk into my apartment, you have my closet over here, and I'll show you guys what the inside of the closet looks like. And then I put a mirror here. You know, you can never go wrong with a good fit check right when you walk out the door. And then, of course, to our left, we have our bathroom. As we walk down the hallway to our left, we have our washer and dryer. So as you see, this is where I wash my clothes and do my laundry. And then we get into the kitchen. And then we get into the kitchen. So in the kitchen, I do a little bit of everything. I make charcuterie boards, I clean, I make drinks, I create content in here, and everything in between. I kept everything pretty minimal. As you see in my kitchen, everything is pretty much black for the most part. I have my cookbook over this way. I kind of just flip through. It's really just for decoration. I do love to cook, but this just kind of sits here for the aesthetics. And then I have these black soap dispensers, a black napkin holder, and then my stove and my couple of my cooking utensils. The rest of them are in the dishwasher. And then up this way, we have our wine rack. And I absolutely love this wine rack, y'all. This is one of the very first things that I added to my apartment. I just thought it was very sexy, very moody, and I thought it just added a touch of class and elegance to the apartment. And as you guys see, my walls are gray. So I painted my walls maybe about a month into living here, and I haven't gone back since. So this is my lovely kitchen, and absolutely love what I have done with it. Cute, huh? Alrighty, so swinging around to the living room. So like I said, I wanted a very dark and moody apartment, so my couch is black. I was crazy enough to do pretty much all black everything. So my couch is black, and I went with gray accents. So this gray rug, I absolutely love it. I have gray seaside tables. Side tables. They're called C tables. They're side tables. So C side tables. And the cool thing about these tables is that you can pull them in for comfort. So like if you're on your laptop or you're doing anything, you can pull them in to make it a little bit more convenient to you or for you. You can pull them to the front if you want it like right in front of you. So I definitely recommend C tables for anyone who likes comfort. These were actually a different texture, and I covered them in contact papers, like this concrete textured contact paper. And you would have never known. If I didn't tell you, you would have never known. Love my rug. I change my centerpiece pretty often because I always change moods. Like right now it's Christmas themed. I have my little reindeers and my candles. That's a DIY painting. One thing about it, two things for sure. I am going to do some DIY artwork, okay? And this is where I record a lot of my YouTube videos. This is about the frame right here when I shoot my YouTube videos. Our newest addition to the living room is my Christmas tree, of course, and I've gotten so many compliments on it. This will be my submission for my apartment complex's a video competition, picture competition, who has the best Christmas tree. And I don't know about y'all, but I think I'd take the cake. And I wanted to decorate the bottom of the tree too. I think people tend to neglect the bottom of the tree, kind of just throw whatever under there. But I wanted to be intentional with it and kind of plan it out a little bit more. And I think it came out amazing. Alrighty, so the bedroom. This is my bedroom, and I absolutely love it. I decided to go a little bit lighter in here only because I just wanted to switch it up from the dark and moody and do something a little bit more traditional, a little bit more modern. And I think it came out super cute. Wouldn't y'all agree? And one thing about it, I need choppable pillows. That is a necessity. The pillows have to be choppable. And I'm all about the decor. So I got this from Restoration Hardware. Restoration Hardware is a furniture store. They have a few locations, but they have one here in Atlanta. And they give out these free magazines. And I really just think they're a nice, classy touch. So you can either like leave it on the bed like that, or whatever page I had it open to, whatever, let's just leave it here. Or you can leave it out like that, and I just think it's like really nice. I think it's honestly all in the details. Speaking of details, I created this little perfume tray, or a fragrance tray, if you would. So I have this diffuser, I have 2 perfumes on here, and then I also have room spray in the back. So with the room spray, every time I make my bed, and it's so cute too. Doesn't it look like perfume almost? With the room spray, honestly, you kind of just spray wherever. If you want to spray the fabric, you can spray the fabric. You can spray whatever you want to spray. So that's that, and it smells amazing. So I do that every morning. Don't overdo it though, because sometimes can be too much. But yeah, so over here, now this might be one of my favorite additions in my bedroom. This is my Tally and Twine watch, and Tally and Twine is a black owned watch company that I work with. And they gave me this watch, a silver and gold watch, and I bought a nice nightstand not nightstand, but a nice watch stand to go with it, and I think it sits so nicely on my nightstand. And it's definitely like, if you know type of thing. You can very easily overlook it, but I think that it is a very nice touch, and I think it is very classy, very grown, and very sexy. And then on this side, nothing crazy. I just have some coasters, a mug, and the same lamp that I have over there. So that is about the extent of my bedroom, other than my TV stand. So this is my TV stand. Nothing significant or out of the box. Just cute stuff. More cute stuff. That's one thing we are all about over here. We are about the cute stuff. This is one of my favorite parts of my apartment. This is the balcony, and as we see, the sun is setting, so we've got some interesting lighting over here. I wanted to go with something very chic, very modern. As you guys see, we have this beautiful view, and I also have a bar over here. So I think there are a few essentials when it comes to having a really nice balcony, especially for hosting. So over here we have our bar for making drinks and having drinks with friends. I have a decanter. I have a book here that has a bunch of different drink recipes. I have a bar kit, so I have a shaker, wine opener, and a couple other drink utensils. Of course, something else that is necessary is really nice flooring for your balcony. I know a lot of people do turf and fake grass, faux grass, but I really wanted to go with tiles for my balcony. Of course, candles to set the mood, and of course, somewhere to lounge, and you can't go wrong with the plants. And so that is my balcony. So let's go and head back inside. And I would be remiss if I didn't show y'all the nighttime vibes. And in the bedroom. These are the bedroom vibes. I can change the colors. So, yeah, it's a vibe. It's always a vibe in my apartment. Alright, you guys, that is all for this video. Like I said, if you guys want, I can do another one kind of telling you where I got every last thing from. More than happy to do that for you. But I hope you enjoyed, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more. And I'll see you in the next one. Later.